Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is DJ Francisco, and in this video we're going to take this cold sparkler right here, take it from looking from this, fix it, and after we're done it's going to look just like this. So in this video we're going to replace the fan in the back of the cold sparklers. This is the fan that keeps it at a operable temperature so the internals don't burn out. And it happened to burn out at an actual event. We were able to see that it wasn't spinning before the event actually happened. I don't know, I guess in transportation the fan fell out. Not sure what happened. I rent these out and let some of the DJs local borrow them, and I guess I found out in an actual event before we started that the fan was not working. Took it off. Obviously I try to have a backup when possible and we don't have too many rentals, and luckily this event I had an extra one in the truck. Replaced it, brought it back so I can fix it. So this is a video that we're going to replace the fan. Took about 45 minutes to do this fix, and that was only because this is the first time that anything has happened to my sparklers in the last 2 years. So these sparklers have been running perfectly fine for 2 years. I take care of them. So this was, once again, so this was a 45-minute because it was the first time actually opening these machines and trying to figure out how to go around fixing it. And then the only little thing that I had to do was take off the pins. You'll see on the video the pins on the new fan were switched around, so I had to put the positive on the, I believe it was on the left, because it came on the right, and you'll see in the video. But all I had to do was flip-flop the pins, take them out, and put them back in. So that took a little bit, just figuring out how to push the pin through and bring it out. That's gonna be it. Enjoy the video. It's about a 20-minute video fixing the machine. I did it live in Facebook, YouTube. My Facebook is, should have it on the description for if you want to add me to Facebook for when I do these live fixes. Otherwise, on this channel, once I get the live thing, I should be able to do the lives on YouTube at Frank's Fix Your Fix channel. So once again, Frank's Fix Your Fix came to this page just by luck. Added because I also have, actually after that video, I did another video where I upgraded the what is it? Xiaomi Intimidator 250, added wireless DMX. So that's the next video that I'm going to be working on. So make sure you subscribe so you can see that video. So enjoy the video. Thank you. And then chat with you guys. I'll fix this sparkler because the fan fell out. As you can see right there, we're missing this fan. And I have the replacement over here. Probably needs to have some background music too. It's kind of early for DJs, but I got to do this early, and I also want to give some tutorials on how to fix some of these things that we own. And say hello to you, man. You want to stay? I'm fixing this cold sparkler machine because the fan fell off. And so first thing to do is take off this top, and I do keep it with some powder in it. All right, where's my screwdriver? Ernesto, welcome. Trying to fix a cold sparkler that the fan fell out. Se quebró el abanico. And we are gonna fix it by replacing it. What's going on, brother? There we go. This little thing broke. It's no good no more. So now I gotta fix this crap. And I hope it help somebody that's trying to fix theirs too. I'm here trying to get people, show them how to fix their stuff. But I cannot find my little hex driver thing. So, am I still alive? Yeah, I'm still alive. There we go. That's it. Got the right tool. The right tool for the job. So once again, we're replacing the fan on this thing because it burnt out or fell out. Something happened to it. And I need to get it fixed for this weekend. Got the right tool. So this should slide up. And nope, there's a lot of cables on it. So let's do the side one now. Might be easier this way. This video on my
Frank's Picture Fix website or page on YouTube. After I recorded, saved, and edited, but I don't see it live. It's kind of early in the morning, so I'm going to give it a go. You want to learn how to fix your stuff? Got plenty of stuff I gotta fix. I'm not videos on. I have some wireless receivers to my movie heads probably. I want to say maybe tomorrow. So if you guys want to learn how to add wireless receivers to your movie head during light, I'll do a video tomorrow. It's going to take a little longer. It's going to be pretty quick. It should take more than an hour. Not all wood. But yeah, this little thing fell off. The fan fell off there. Here's the part. And instead of just putting it back together, I'm just going to replace the wing that I have here. So if you guys like fixing your equipment, I have the website, Frank's, or not website, more like the YouTube page, Frank's Fix, where I started a while back, but I haven't done that since. So let's see if we can get that cable. Okay, let me check here. Okay, so we have 5 on this side. Which one? All right, let's see. All right, so we should be able to pull this up. Perfect. So all the stuff that's inside a cold spark. This little chain usually gets stuck. Not this one. It's different. Okay, so I want this little cable here. This cable goes down there. So you might want to make sure there's no voltage to shock you. All right, this is gonna be fun because the cable's way in the bottom. So literally I can take this off. Try to take this little corner thing. That should be the bigger one. It goes on, or the clips off. All right, so let's see if we take this off. Give me a little more access to it. And if we put it back together, the same way that the should be going. Alright, almost there. There we go. Alright, so let's take this off. And now I can. So once again, we're fixing, for my 3 viewers, we're fixing this fan. That fell off. Oh my god. Wait a minute. See, it already came with the right. I just got lucky. Came with the right connector. Don't have the heat shrink, and I probably should add it, or I'm just going to reroute it the other way. It's a little bit quicker than I thought this fixed because I didn't realize we're using the same connector. Just got to make sure the red's on the right side. And no, so that's the only thing I got to do is change the cables. This is the new one. Red's on the right side. On the old one, red's on the left side. So I just got to pull that pin out. It has happened to me. That's how I found out. Okay, so we got to take these little things out. Push it down with a pick. Pull it out, move it over to the left, and we should be done. Fixed. If you have questions about the podcast and what happened, we are canceling the podcast. All right, there we go. All right, there we go. So this should be, I'll refresh my stream because I got stuck. Alright, let's cut this comments off. So I gotta push this through, but it's got a little thing here, and I think I got it. Okay, I got one. One more. See me struggle pushing this through. So I gotta swap these out. Come on. This little tab that holds it in, just gotta push it down and through. All right. So now I gotta make sure it comes back up, unless I broke it. And I think I just pushed it too far. Am I even on focus? I'm not even in camera, am I? All right, so there we go. Okay, zoom out. Ahora sí. Ya lo conectamos. Este abanico va a ir por acá para que no se me... Mira, se desmadrió este otro. Se desbarató dentro de la máquina. Nada, arreglada rapidita. There we go. This one, go here. So I gotta make sure these cables don't. Here's the old one, just so you'll see. Old one, broken one. Probably still works, but I don't want to take a chance. Yep, there it is. Still on there. And probably still works. Aquí hay que arreglar cosas y pues a ver cómo está la gente por ahí estos días, cómo van los eventos y todo ese pedo. Tempranito, tempranito, que se ocupan este fin de semana. Vamos a ver qué tenemos ahí rápidamente. Vamos a hacer una prueba. Que vaya a jalar porque los pins estaban medios complicados. Aquí lo ponemos. El cable. Voy por un cable, no se me vayan. Ahora sí, vamos a ver si salen chispas o sale el abanico. El abanico tiene que dar vuelta. Ahí se ve el abanico aquí. Ok, solo que dé vuelta. Creo que al conectarlo empieza a dar vuelta. Vamos a ver si no salen chispas, si no me electrocuto aquí. Correrlo por acá. Ok, 3, 2, 1. Tiene switch. Y éxito, jaló. Está dando vueltas. It's ready to go. No sé si se oye. Pongo el micrófono. ¿Se oye? A ver. OBS, ¿qué dice? ¿Se oye o no se oye? Sí se oye. Ok, ya nomás queda de apagarlo. Una limpiadita aquí. Y listo. Vamos a usar una garra seca. Okay. Todo no le va a caer mal. Vamos a quitar este power porque... Hijo de su... Hijo de su madre. Más para que vean cómo trabajan los chinos. Este trae... es la tierra. Menos mal es la tierra. Pero queda muy pelón ahí. Bueno. Vamos a terminar este arreglo. We're going to finish fixing this. And then we're done for today. Make sure it's... So, vamos a ver después. Vamos a arreglar mi wireless DMX. Unas chavetas que voy a el cable DMX que nos las antenas externas no magnética interna. Vamos a poner esto y ya quedó. Corre bien el cable, no se caiga. Y vamos a quedar listos. Tiene bien. Son 4 tornillos. Con el abanico con los fixamos some nicely. Alex, cold sparkers. The fan fell off in the machine. The fan fell off. I'll put it back somewhere. I'll put it back up. And then I changed it out. It's good to go. We're just it. And it's working so far. Come on. Get that thing. So you guys know how to do the wireless antennas. I'm going to later. Oh shit, I forgot the little... So it's got a little protector that I forgot to put on. So I got to take off those and put the protector in. Here's the protector. Forgot to put it on. So I got to add some wireless DMX to my moving heads. And all right, so this should be it. The projects never end, hombre. I have projects from sheesh in the burner since I don't know when. Only because I started using my moving heads lately. Because I was like, I haven't used them in years, so I got to see if they still work. Number one, and then I hate running the cable at the... Well, I don't hate running the cable. I hate picking up the damn cable at the end of the night. The DMX. Because I run one wireless DMX light. And then I have to run from the bottom of the truss to the top of the truss a DMX cable. Then from the first moving head to the second moving head. So it's like, forget all that. Might as well just run wireless. Alright, so should be done. Test it for the third time. All this powder kind of sucks too. It's like 2 events right there. Fan is running. Good to go. Turn this off, turn this off. Try not to get shocked. And where's the other panel? Gotta put the other panel on. Close it up. All right. And looks like we're not gonna have extra screws today. Got a collection of extra screws in here. So no screws for the collection today. Clean this. Put the top back on. And you'll see at the beginning of the video, yep, so this was empty. This was in there in pieces. I already put it back together, but I don't trust it anymore. Yeah, this is no good no more. That's trash. This is trash. This is backup, leftover, whatever. Plug it in one more time just to make sure you can see that it's working. Hopefully it doesn't blow anything in my face. Like, fans running. You can see the little things. Fault, cause probably have it up tilted. On, off. Okay, no fault. If I tilt it, there's a fault. Yeah, that's interesting. I didn't know that. I learned something new today. So they have tilt protection, apparently. So if it's, can you see the green light? You can see the green light. No, you don't see the green light. But you see the yellow one is the fault light. If I go too far, it turns on. It's good. I did not know that. But it's working. Yay for me. Take this off, put the cable back up, and that's it. Those that watched live, thank you for watching. Those of you that are going to watch later, this is going live on YouTube and Facebook. I did Twitch too, but I'm doing the old channels, and we're going to do more videos. I'll probably get my moving heads here in about an hour. I'll start with the moving heads and do one wireless. That one's going to take longer, so I might do it in parts.
All right, so if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment letting me know if this video was helpful for you. Thank you.